Welcome to our video. The first room most homeowners remodel isn't what you think. In a surprising twist, we'll explore why the often overlooked laundry room has taken the lead in remodeling priorities for 2024. As we dive into the shifting landscape of home renovations, we'll discuss the changing values that have left kitchens and bathrooms behind, the influence of remote work, and the growing importance of energy efficiency and smart technology in our homes. Join us as we uncover the motivations driving these renovations and why the laundry room is becoming a key feature in today's real estate market. 1. The surprising leader. Laundry rooms take first place in 2024 in a twist that's catching industry experts off guard. A 2024 House and Home survey found that 37% of homeowners prioritized their laundry room for remodeling before touching kitchens or bathrooms. The National Association of Home Builders confirmed this shift, noting a 21% increase in laundry room upgrades since 2022. The appeal lies in maximizing daily efficiency, as nearly 70% of respondents said they spend more time in laundry spaces post-pandemic than ever before. According to Zillow's 2024 Home Trends Report, listings highlighting upgraded laundry rooms saw a 17% faster sale rate. Homeowners cited reasons like improved organization, energy savings, and even mental well-being. The demand for built-in cabinets, high-efficiency washers, and folding stations has skyrocketed. The laundry room, once an afterthought, has officially become the unexpected star of home renovations. 2. Why not the kitchen? Changing priorities in remodeling. Traditionally, the kitchen has been the heart of home upgrades, but 2025 data from Remodeling magazine indicates only 28% of homeowners chose the kitchen as their first remodeling project this year, a record low. Economic pressures are partly to blame. The average kitchen remodel now costs $54,000, up 16% from 2023. In contrast, laundry room remodeling averages just $8,100, making it far more affordable during times of inflation. Homeowners are also dealing with longer wait times for kitchen contractors, with a 2024 HomeAdvisor report showing average delays of 7 to 9 months. Many also report renovation fatigue from the disruption kitchen projects bring. The shift reflects a growing desire for less invasive, high-impact improvements. As a result, the kitchen's reign as the first stop for remodels is fading. 3. Bathrooms drop further down the list. Bathrooms, once a top 2 contender for first remodels, have slipped to third place in 2024. According to the Joint Center for Housing Studies at Harvard, only 18% of homeowners now pick bathrooms as their initial upgrade. Rising material costs, especially for tile and fixtures, up 12% year over year, have made bathroom remodels pricier than ever. Surveyed homeowners cited supply chain unpredictability as a deterrent, with backorders on popular vanities and smart toilets stretching into 2025. The American Institute of Architects Home Design Trends Survey found that more people are satisfied with their existing bathrooms after small improvements like updated lighting or paint, reducing the urge for full-scale makeovers. This year, more homeowners are choosing to refresh bathrooms after addressing more functional spaces first. 4. The role of remote work in renovation choices. Remote work has fundamentally altered how people use their homes, and remodeling trends have followed suit. A 2024 Redfin survey revealed that 44% of homeowners now seek practical upgrades that support their work-from-home lifestyles. Laundry rooms fit the bill, often doubling as mudrooms or storage hubs, making everyday routines smoother. In contrast, home offices, once expected to top the list, actually landed fourth, with only 14% of respondents placing them first. The Home Improvement Research Institute noted that noise reduction and household organization became top priorities, both addressed by modern laundry room designs. The trend proves that homeowners are thinking beyond aesthetics, focusing on spaces that actively reduce stress and clutter during busy workdays. 5. Smart technology drives laundry room makeovers. The smart home revolution hasn't skipped the laundry room. According to a 2024 Statista report, sales of smart washers and dryers grew 24% over the past year. Brands like LG and Samsung have released Wi-Fi-enabled appliances that notify users when cycles finish or troubleshoot issues remotely. The National Kitchen and Bath Association has cited a 30% rise in demand for integrated drying cabinets and automated folding machines. Homeowners are also installing leak detectors and humidity sensors to prevent costly water damage. These innovations are especially appealing as they offer practical returns on investment, with the NAHB estimating a 12% increase in home value when smart laundry solutions are featured. The laundry room is now a showcase for technology as much as any other part of the home. 6. Energy efficiency and sustainability concerns. Sustainability is a powerful motivator for today's remodelers. The Department of Energy's 2024 Home Energy Report found that laundry rooms consume nearly 15% of a household's total energy use. Upgrading to Energy Star certified washers and dryers can reduce usage by up to 30%. Homeowners are also swapping plastic hampers for bamboo or recycled materials and installing LED task lighting. Water conservation is top of mind, too, with new washers using as little as 13 gallons per load compared to older models' 40 gallons. Many remodels now include drying racks and indoor plants to further green the space. These changes, while often modest in cost, have become selling points in real estate listings and are a main driver in the laundry room's rise to first place for remodels. 7. Storage solutions take center stage. Clutter is a top pain point for homeowners, and the laundry room offers immediate relief. According to the 2025 Home Organization Trends Survey by the Container Store, 62% of respondents cited storage upgrades as the main reason for remodeling their laundry space. Custom cabinetry, pull-out hampers, and wall-mounted racks help keep chaos at bay. Home Depot's 2024 sales figures show a 29% increase in laundry room shelving units, outpacing even garage storage solutions. Many homeowners are also repurposing unused corners for pet washing stations or hobby nooks, further maximizing square footage. The focus on storage reflects a broader trend toward living lighter and keeping the rest of the house tidy by improving one small but vital room. 8. Personalization and wellness features. In 2024, personalization is the buzzword for home upgrades, and laundry rooms are no exception. More homeowners are adding color, art, and even cozy seating to turn laundry into a pleasant experience. The Well Home Institute reported a 35% increase in wellness laundry rooms, featuring air purifiers, natural light, and plant walls. Some even integrate aromatherapy diffusers or sound systems to make chores less of a burden. Paint companies like Sherwin-Williams note that soft greens and blues are popular choices, with their 2024 Color Trends report showing these hues can reduce perceived stress by up to 18%. These wellness-driven changes turn a utilitarian space into a personal retreat, cementing its status as a remodeling priority. 9. Real estate impact. Laundry rooms as selling points. Real estate data from Realtor.com's 2025 Market Insights reveals that homes with updated laundry rooms command a 4.2% price premium over similar properties. Agents report that buyers specifically ask about laundry amenities during showings, a shift from past years when kitchens dominated the conversation. Listings with dedicated laundry rooms also spend an average of 12 fewer days on market. The National Association of Realtors found that 58% of homebuyers in early 2025 placed laundry room quality in their top 3 priorities, surpassing even bathroom upgrades. This focus on functional, organized spaces is reshaping what buyers expect and what sellers invest in before listing. 10. Case studies. Homeowners share their motivations. Recent case studies highlight the personal stories behind this trend. In Dallas, the Tran family invested $11,000 in a laundry room remodel, adding custom cabinetry and a pet washing station. Within 3 months, they reported a 40% reduction in household clutter and unexpected joy in daily routines. In Nashville, teacher Sarah Evans said her new folding station and energy-efficient appliances cut laundry time by 35%. Chicago's Malik brothers upgraded their small condo laundry area with stacking smart appliances and sold their home above asking price within weeks. These stories are echoed in 2025 homeowner forums and renovation blogs, where laundry room upgrades are being celebrated as both practical and life-enhancing.